Good morning, students. Not audible. Say, are you tired or fired? So say once again, good morning, students. Yes, well done. So it is said that excitement is the key to success. Wherever we want to become successful person in our life, so we should be excited, right? So once again, good morning to all. My name is Shyam sir, and today we are going to learn an interesting topic from English textbook. Okay, but before going to start the topic, I want to discuss with you, right? So first of all, tell me, those who are living in Buldhana district, so please raise your hand. Yes, so maximum students are living in Buldhana. So everyone knows then collector office Buldhana, where it is situated. Okay, so beside collector office, one long wall is there, and on the wall one statement is written. So did you observe that statement? What is the statement? Yes, can you tell me? Right, the statement or the sentence is written on the wall, that is in Marathi. The sentence is in Marathi, Manuskichi Bhint. So what is the Manuskichi Bhint, or what do you know about this project, or what do you know about this concept Manuskichi Bhint? Anyone having any idea? Yes, so Manuskichi Bhint, nothing but a part of humanity. It is a part of humanity. So actually what the people are doing over there, so people from different field or people from different categories, they are coming over there, and whatever used material of the people, like their clothes, dresses, school bag, belt, shoes, whatever used material, they are keeping over there, and those who are needy person, so they are picking up the things. So simultaneously here two people are becoming happy. First one, the person who has kept the things over there, and second one, those who have picked up the things. So when we are doing such a act of goodness in our life, such a good things in our life, so definitely we get happiness, and happiness is very, very important in our life. Okay, more times we are finding the people having crore of properties, but they are not satisfied or they are not happy. But the people, those who have less property, but they are happy. So happiness is not a thing that can be brought from the market. So happiness can be created from our internal part, from our heart. Okay, so happiness is very, very important. One more example I would like to give you. Suppose if I am telling you photo with smile and photo without smile, so which photo do you like the most? Definitely the photo the photo with smile. Okay, one picture I want to draw over here on the board. Just look at the picture carefully and answer me the question. See, two faces I am drawing. Look, first one, and this is second one. If I will ask you the question, which image do you like the most? So maximum students will tell first one. Why? Because it is happy face, and this one sad face. So happiness is very, very important, and that is why today we are going to learn the topic which is related to happiness. Okay, so I hope you understood the importance of happiness in our life, and I hope everybody will be happy and everybody will be healthy, fit and fine, because it is said that health is wealth. If we are healthy, then definitely it is our property or it is our wealth. So we will start the lesson from 7th standard, that is the Happy Prince. So I am writing the topic over here, the Happy Prince. Dear students, if you remember So in the last period we have already covered parts of speech. Parts of speech means what? Wherever we are writing any sentence, so whatever words we are using to make the sentence, so it is known as the part of that particular sentence. So it is nothing but parts of speech. So how many parts of speech are there in English? Yes, 8. Correct, you are correct. But recently one more part is added in part of speech, that is article. So right now we can say there are 9 parts of speech. Previously there were 8 parts of speech, but right now 9 article. So which are the parts of speech? First one, noun. Second, pronoun. Third, verb. Fourth, adverb. Fifth, adjective. Sixth, preposition. Seventh, conjunction. And eighth, interjection. And recently that is added in parts of speech, article. So in this way we can say there are 9 parts of speech. So why I ask this question to you? Because I want to ask you the title which I have written here, the Happy Prince. So happy, can you tell me? Happy is which part of speech? Can you tell? Yes, happy is adjective. So in the last period already we covered this topic, what is an adjective. So adjective is a word that describes noun. So happy word is describing about prince, and prince is noun. That is why we can say happy is adjective, right? So when I have written the title over here, the Happy Prince, so automatically we will be happy and we will get idea what will be there in this topic, that is Happy Prince. So this topic we are going to understand, and after that we will understand the concept and new words. So the students will be able to understand the story and new words from the story. So shall we start? So see, the lesson has been written by Oscar Wilde. The author of this lesson is Oscar Wilde. So what is the theme or what is the concept of this lesson? That one by one we will understand. I am reading one passage and then we will understand. So in the first passage, high above the city on a tall column stood the statue of the Happy Prince. Look, so already one city is there, and in the city there is one column, and the column is very high, and the column is situated at the center part of the city. The column is already high, and on the high column one statue is formed there, and the statue is also very high. So why the statue is very high? Because the statue is observing whole city. And what is the purpose behind this observation? Because the Happy Prince or the statue wants to observe whole city, what is happening in the city. Good things are happening, bad things are happening, sorrow is there, happiness is there, that all the things. And if some people are needy, so the Happy Prince wants to help them. So that is why from the high column the statue is situated there, and the statue is very tall than buildings or whatever buildings are there in the city. So statue is very high and whole city observing, right? So I remember one question of this statue. If you know the answer, just tell me. Which person's statue is the tallest in the world? Can you tell me? Once again I am asking you question. Which person's statue is the tallest in the world? Yes, you are right. The Statue of Unity, and this statue is situated in Gujarat district in in Gujarat state, Narmada district, right? And the height of the statue is near about 182 meter. If we will convert into feet, so it is near about 597. Okay, so this is general knowledge question. If you are preparing for competitive exams or Navodaya exam or any other exam, so maybe there will be question like this, which is the highest or tallest statue in the world, so we can tell this answer. And proud thing is that this statue is in our India. Okay, so this is the good thing. Okay, then he was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. See here, new word we got, that is gilded. So look here, gilded. So what is the meaning of gilded? So gilded meaning is covered with thin layer of gold. So if we will see, so look, the statue is yellow in color. It means it is covered with thin layer of gold. So we can say the statue is of gold, right? His eyes were two bright sapphires. One more word we have got here, that is sapphires. So see, sapphires. Sapphires means what? Sapphires means precious stone, and specially it is blue in color. Okay, so look, his eyes were two bright sapphires and a large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. One more word is here, that is hilt. Hilt means what? Handle of the sword, right? So these are the new words which we got in the first stanza. Red ruby. So ruby is also precious stone, but it is red in color. Sapphire is also we can say precious stone, but it is blue in color. So I hope the first paragraph is clear. Okay, so shall we go ahead? Then what happened in the next paragraph, we will see. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. See, so one night what happened? Swallow flew over the city, right? So look here, one more new word we got, that is swallow. So what is the meaning of swallow? Yes, you are right. Swallow means bird. Okay, sparrow, bird. Okay, but if you remember, I am writing this word again here, swallow. So it is bird, right? But if we will remember, or if you know, so one more meaning is there of swallow, same spelling, S-W-A-L-L-O-W. So one more meaning is there of swallow, that is the process of eating. When we eat or when we drink, and when it goes down through our throat to stomach, that process is also called swallow. In Hindi we can say nigalna, right? So this process is also called swallow. So see, same spelling, same pronunciation, but meaning different. So this type of word is called homonym, right? This word is called homonym. Okay, one more example of homonym we can understand, bank. See, look, one example I am giving you, bank, right? So what is the meaning of bank? Where we kept our money. Bank is what? Where we kept money, right? Another meaning of bank, look, B-A-N-K, bank. So this meaning is what? Shore of sea or river. So this is also same spelling, same pronunciation, but meaning different, right? So this meaning also I write here of swallow, process of eating or drinking through, through, throat, to stomach, right? Okay. So these words are called homonyms, but more times we find only pronunciation same and spelling different and meaning different. So these types of words are called homophones. See, homophones means what? Look, homophones, only pronunciation same. For example, one word I am writing here, D-E-E-R, deer, name of animal, right? Deer is animal, it is animal. Okay. One more word, if I want to write D-E-A-R, dear means our favorite, right? Priya, in Hindi we can say Priya. So this word is called homophone and these words are called homonym. I hope you understood the concept of homophone and homonyms. Okay. So one night there flew over the city a little swallow. His friend had gone to Egypt 6 weeks earlier. See, why the swallow is going to Egypt? Because the swallow was alone over there. Already all his friends went to Egypt and the swallow wants to join them, and that is why the swallow is flying. Okay. But he had stayed behind. After some time, the swallow felt lonely, so he decided to join his friends in Egypt. All day long he flew, and at night he arrived at city. There he saw the statue of the happy prince. So as I told, the swallow is flying to Egypt. Why? Because he wants to join his friends. So whole day the swallow flew up, but at evening he got tired, and that is why he decided to take rest for the night, and again he will start his journey in the morning. But where he will stay? So at evening he saw the statue and he decided to stay near the statue or on the column in the night, and again he will start his journey in the morning, right? So I hope the second passage is also clear. I think I should rest here for tonight. Tomorrow I will fly to Egypt. And he is talking to himself. The swallow is talking to himself. What he is talking? I think I should rest here for tonight. Tomorrow I will fly to Egypt. And himself he is talking. Today I will rest here, and tomorrow morning he will, or the swallow will continue his journey. See, in English drama, when the character is speaking himself or herself, so that dialogues are called soliloquy. The dialogues are called soliloquy. The dialogues only the audience can hear, but whatever other characters are present over there, they cannot hear. Only the character is talking to himself or in mind, but audience can listen. So that types of dialogues are called soliloquy dialogues. Okay. So I hope up to here you understood the story. So remaining part of this story we will continue in our next lecture. So please be present, right? So we will stop here, but before going to stop our today's lecture, so I want to give you homework. So please note down your homework. So your homework is read the lesson or read the story, find new words along with meaning, and write it down in the notebook. And one more practical homework, whatever place I suggested you, that is Manuskichi Bhinta, which is situated near collector office Buldhana. So you can visit there and you can see the wall, how the people are coming and how they are keeping the things over there. And one more important thing is, if whatever act of goodness or whatever act of kindness you have did in your life, so please tell me, right? Because when we do any act of goodness or any kind of goodness, so definitely we get happiness, because happiness can be created from heart. Okay, so happiness is not the thing that can be brought from the market. Okay, so everyone should be happy, everyone should be healthy. So I hope you understood the small concept of this Happy Prince chapter. Remaining part of this story we will continue in our next period. So till that time we will stop over here. Have a good day. Thank you.